Everybody calls me Dr. OJ, the MC. So here's the thing. A few housekeeping rules. I talk very, very fast. So, if I'm talking too fast, like a good student, please raise your hand and say, excuse me, ma. I did not understand what you just said. Are we in agreement? Are we in agreement? Lagosians, are we in agreement? You push your answer. The answer is free. Nobody's going to charge you. So when they ask you, please engage. Are we in agreement? Thank you, my uncles. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please, the people serving this table only. The rest of them, no food for them this afternoon, please. All right, guys, welcome to Celeb with Swag birthday party. And I'm about to introduce my co-host. And guys, listen, me, I'm just a small fish in this pond. And they imported me all the way from Dallas, Texas. And the CEO of Celebrity was like, Dr. Oh, you have to come and host this event in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm like, yeah, that sounds cool. And all of a sudden, she's like, well, by the way, you're going to be co-hosting with, I'm like, with who? I said, who's my co-host? Please, oh, don't come and fall my hand. Don't come and make me look silly. She said, well, your co-host is going to be a Nollywood actor. He's a celebrity. He's a veteran in the industry. He's going to do it. I said, okay, who is the person now? All this paparazzi for what? And then she told me the celebrity's name, and I was like, hey, Adeolu is like, you don't even like me at all. You want my first outing in Lagos to be with this amazing man. And let me just introduce my co-host tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming to the floor